Hi, and welcome to another video. I'm very glad you can join me today. This is just going to be a super quick video. I just want to show my portfolio as it is up 176%, as you might have seen in the title. So this gives me 353 euros and a couple of cents. That's to this hour and to this day. We are today the 21st of February 2021. So this might change in an hour, this might change in 2 hours, or this could change tomorrow. But anyways, for today, for now, we have 353 euros from 0.003 Bitcoin and from 0.1 Ethereum. I put 100 euros in both of these, but which makes actually only 97.5 euros of Ethereum and 97.5 euros of Bitcoin, as Revolut charges a 2.5% fee when you enter when you start a crypto portfolio. So let's just so that's normally I should have a little bit more percentage. So yeah, if we do 353 euros from 195, which that's what I actually invested, that gives me about a 181% increase of my portfolio. So I have to say this is enormous. I mean, I could have put $1,000 in, and I'd have $2,000. Sorry, and I'd have $3,000 and $3,500. Sorry. So yeah, it's quite incredible. Now, as I've said, I could have much less tomorrow. I had maybe much less yesterday, or I could have had much more yesterday. The market is really super volatile for the moment, but yeah, I invested this money just because I had this money on the side and I wanted to try this out. Um, and I'm very happy with this, of course, because I haven't had any problems with Revolut for the cryptocurrency investing, and my money has pretty much just gone up. Now, of course, I know that I do not really hold these Bitcoin or Ethereum. I am actually only holding the value that it has. So with that, my money goes up or down. But I don't have a code or something to access my real coins, which is kind of well, that's too bad. But as I said in my first video about the cryptocurrencies here on Revolut, I'll leave the link in the description to that video. Yeah, I explained that I just wanted to put a little of this money in here. I knew that I wasn't gonna really buy Bitcoin or something, but yeah, I just wanted to test the market, test Revolut's crypto option, and this is what my returns for the moment. So 1 week, 1 month, 3 months. We can see I bought just before it went very far up. So I bought in at 27,000 euros, 26 euros to be exact. So a total of 100 euros, as you can see. And since then it went up, back down, and it's just been going up now since 3 weeks. But yeah, so what is my plan for the long term or short term? I wouldn't say that I have a huge crypto plan. I'm just going to leave the money that I have here in my portfolio. Now, if Ethereum or Bitcoin were to go down, then I do think I would maybe invest a little bit more money. And yeah, otherwise, if it goes up, I will just be leaving the 200 euros, to be exact, to 195 euros that I have invested in here, and just to see where it takes us and see where Revolut says us. But yeah, I'll just be leaving this like this. But yeah, that's just to show you a little bit my very tiny portfolio. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do be sure to smash that like the button, to share, and to subscribe to the channel. I will be posting more videos very soon on dividends, on passive income, and other exciting videos. So here we go. Ethereum has just popped up to 179 euros. I will leave you on that and have a great day. See you soon.